Hi, James at Mendeley here. I'm going to show you how to install the web importer in Firefox. So there's two ways, the extension way or the bookmark way. So bookmarklet way I meant, and let's just first search for it, as in find the installation file, and here's the extension method. Okay, you click on that and it gives you a warning message, and that's because it's not in the Firefox store. It's actually coming directly from us, so it's fine because it's coming from us. And then you hit install. And if you're a first-time user of this, it will actually show up here automatically. But it doesn't because I actually removed it. And for some reason, after you remove it, every time you install it, it goes here into the additional tools and features. I don't know why. So just pop it back here. You can click on it, but it won't work until you get out of the store. So let's go to Google. Sorry, let's go to scholar.google and let's go to a PDF. Let's see if this will bring me to a PDF. Science, does it have full text? No, it doesn't matter. Just bring up the web importer, and there it is. It does have a PDF. So let me show you the other method of installing. Let's just close that quickly, and it's to use their bookmarklet. And I could drop it into the bookmark here. And there it is, saved to Mendeley. So let's go back to that page. And there you go. It's brought up. I hope you enjoy using this tool.